Hello, my name is Kary Främling, and I'm the leader of the stream called Urban Analytics and Data. And we'll be looking at what we have been doing in the Finest Twins project during the first year, and what are the future plans. During the first year, we have been focusing quite a lot on developing our existing systems that we have for the Aalto Smart Campus. During 2020, we implemented an integration with all the building automation systems that you have in the new Vare building at the Aalto campus, for instance. We now actually are collecting just about all the sensor values, control values, and so on for the Vare building, as well as several other buildings that we have already connected in the past. Our goal there is to actually connect this together with machine learning systems and other smart systems so that we could improve the indoor conditions and energy efficiency and so on. Also improve the management of the life cycle of the buildings. In fact, on the technical level, we have worked quite a lot on the improved performance and scalability of our platforms there, because the amount of information that we are collecting has increased quite radically. We have also published quite a lot of work during the past year. I counted to 4 journal articles and 3 conference articles for the year of 2020. What we are doing just now and what we plan to do in the near future is that we okay, as you saw, data is collected already from quite many existing buildings in the Aalto campus, but there's also there are also new buildings that are being built, or a whole part of the Aalto campus that's being renovated. What we have been doing now is to collect data also from there, and that means that data is transmitted regularly from the Fortum systems and stored in a standardized format, which means that we are able to share all this data, and even, of course, under controlled conditions, provide the possibility to control building automation in the future. So data sharing with the other streams in Finest Twins and stakeholders, which is already ongoing with some Aalto professors, but we would definitely like to extend this to more professors and streams, and of course private companies and other organizations too. We also started a Business Finland funded so-called Tutli project called eParkly last year, which is based very much on our earlier research related to Finest Twins. The goal of this eParkly project is to develop services by which it would become much easier for ordinary people or any people to find parking places anywhere in any city, including also information about pricing of the different places, and also giving a possibility for private parking place owners to share their parking places and get them visible in the same platform. We have a plan to do piloting with cities in Finland, but of course this would be applicable anywhere, and we would hope this to become a global business eventually. We are also focusing a lot on artificial intelligence and machine learning. I'm an adjunct professor in AaltoUniversity, but I'm actually also a professor in data science in Umeå University in Sweden, where the emphasis is very much on AI and machine learning also. Fault diagnosis especially related to buildings, but also smart control for improved energy efficiency and indoor climate and so on. So collaboration with cities and other stakeholders. We have done quite a lot of that kind of collaboration. So I'll just show some examples of this. We had this EU project called Biotope, where we had a few European cities as partners. And we have, for instance, well, this video showing what we did together with Brussels, or what we implemented in Brussels in this Biotope project. So we also had the BMW as one of the partners in that project. What is happening here is that Tom, who is the hero of this film, gets into his BMW, and he wants to go shopping actually. So what he wants to know is if there's a parking place that's available for him, for sort of handicapped people. I don't know what's the proper word for that. For solving that, we worked together with some local partners also, who provided parking place sensors, so that you can know in real time if a parking place is available or not. Since the whole project was about interoperability between different systems, you can actually also use the same platform for seeing the schedules of of the boat shuttles that they have in Brussels. So it's this was really all about integrating different kinds of systems together, so that in order to make it easier for people to survive in their everyday life, so to say. One example of what we did in Helsinki, so we actually implemented quite a lot of systems in Helsinki too. This is a video made by the company Parking Energy, who has quite a lot of these different of these charging poles, charging places for electrical vehicles in Helsinki. So what you can see here, it's one of the Parking Energy people who arrives to Parking Energy equipped parking place and is then able to use our Biotope platform for actually reserving the charging pole. So this is interesting because simply because instead of just relying on the proprietary system of Parking Energy, you could actually use this, use any charging poles of any company. So back to Finest Twins. We have been in discussions also with Forum Virium, looking into their urban open platform for doing an assessment of its capabilities and how we could integrate together with them and sort of get the best out of two or several different platforms by connecting their capabilities together in an efficient way. Future work with cities, well, we are looking into these Finest Twins Smart City Challenge initiatives, of course, and what we could be doing there and help those initiatives the best we can. And also looking for piloting possibilities in Helsinki, Tallinn, and elsewhere for our smart buildings, smart campus systems, smart parking systems, and so on. So this was the overview of this stream, the data analysis stream. Thank you for your attention.